Introducing OBSBOT Tiny 3 Lite, the brand new AI-powered spatial audio 4K PTZ webcam. This video will walk you through the setup and show you the key features. Inside the box, you will find the contents below. Mount Tiny 3 Lite onto your monitor, which is built-in stand. For more versatile positioning, you can set it up with a ball head and a tripod. Effortlessly switch between landscape and portrait modes to suit your needs. Connect the Tiny 3 Lite to your computer's USB-C port using the official USB-C cable. If needed, use the included USB-C to USB-A adapter. Once connected, the indicator will turn solid green after a few seconds, signaling that you are ready to go. Tiny 3 Lite works seamlessly on both PC and mobile devices via OBSBOT Center and OBSBOT Live app. To unlock the full potential of the Tiny 3 Lite, we recommend using the OBSBOT Center software. The Tiny 3 Lite features a 2-axis gimbal for pan and tilt movements. You can use the joystick and the console interface to control them. Adjust the gimbal's movement speed for smoother or faster movement. Alternatively, you can directly drag and move the gimbal in the video preview window. The Tiny 3 Lite supports up to 3 preset positions. Once you've adjusted the PTZ, simply click the corresponding button to save your current view. For advanced customization, expand more settings in the drop-down menu to configure additional parameters. Experience the newly upgraded AI Tracking 2.0 of Tiny 3 Lite. Double-click any person in the preview window for instant human tracking, or select single or group mode in the console to start. Once tracking is activated, select from various auto zoom levels for smart auto framing. Click the Object Tracking button in the video preview. Select the object you want to track in the preview window to enable object tracking. 3 tracking speeds are available when using AI tracking. Use gestures to control Tiny 3 Lite. Turn tracking on or off. Zoom to a fixed level. Adjust zoom dynamically. You can also use specified voice commands to control Tiny 3 Lite.
Sleep timing.
Simply say the corresponding commands to complete various operations.
High timing.
The built-in mics of Tiny 3 Lite supports 5 audio modes. Choose the appropriate audio mode tailored to your specific environment. You can also use Vox SE as an external microphone. After pairing Vox SE with Tiny 3 Lite, you can configure Vox SE settings on the OBSBOT Center. Easily handle various scenarios with multiple AI modes. Voice tracking always focuses on the speaker, clearly capturing every important expression. Hand tracking sensitively captures and follows hand movements. Every detail is effortlessly captured. Every motion is tracked with precision. Get OBSBOT Tiny 3 Lite now. Capture every creative idea that inspires you.
Created by OBSBOT.